Welcome to PaniTech Academy. We are a leading provider of IT certification training, and we are here to help you achieve your career goals. In today's world, the field of IT is ever evolving and expanding, and one of the most in-demand certifications is the CompTIA Network Plus certification. This certification validates your knowledge of networking concepts and technologies, and it is a must-have for anyone looking to advance in the IT field. At PaniTech Academy, we understand that studying for certification can be challenging, which is why we have created our CompTIA Network Plus course to be comprehensive and easy to understand. Our course is taught by certified professionals who work in the field, so you can be sure that you are learning the most up-to-date information. Our course covers all the key concepts of networking, including network architecture, protocols, and topologies. You will learn about network security, troubleshooting, and the different types of networks and services, such as TCP or IP, DNS, and DHCP. Our training is hands-on and interactive, so you will have the opportunity to work on real-world projects and scenarios. This will give you the practical experience you need to pass the certification exam and be ready for the workforce. At the end of the course, you will be prepared to take the CompTIA Network Plus exam. And don't forget, at PaniTech Academy, we offer flexible payment options and career coaching to ensure your success in not only passing the CompTIA Network Plus exam, but in landing your dream job in the IT industry. So why wait? Enroll in our CompTIA Network Plus course today and take the first step in advancing your career. Visit our website or give us a call to learn more about our course and to get started. Don't miss out on this opportunity to become a CompTIA Network Plus certified professional. Sign up now and join the ranks of the highly sought-after IT professionals in the industry. PaniTech Academy, where IT careers are made.